Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right. I know that was a lot of information to take in, and it may be super confusing to you at this very moment, but don't worry about that. If you really want to understand compression, then definitely go back and watch the videos over and over until that light bulb goes off. But if not, it's this simple. As long as you have healthy levels that are averaging in the yellow of your meter, or roughly between -12 dB and -6 dB, just set your compressor as follows. Threshold, -12 dB. Noise floor, just set this to whatever your specific noise floor is. Ratio, 2:1. Attack time, all the way to the left. Release time, all the way to the left. Makeup gain unchecked. Compressed based on peaks, unchecked. That's it. These are very tame compression settings that won't get you in trouble. See you in the next video.